Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out a gorgeous 1966 Chevy C10 that has undergone just an over-the-top restoration back to factory correct. Tons of receipts with it. It's won many shows. Just a beautiful example of what started life as just a very nice, clean farm truck and underwent a very expensive and meticulous restoration. It's powered by its original power plant, which is a 250 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine. Runs beautifully, backed up by a 3-speed manual transmission, upgraded with air. It's got power steering and a really neat engine compartment with the firewall still being all original with factory markings. Show-winning paint job and interior. It's really unique that somebody chose to spend the time and money to restore this truck to such a high standard and just left it original as far as power plant and firewall. When we get to the back and look in the bed, I have some documentation that I'll show you. The truck comes with a flash drive of hundreds and hundreds of detailed pictures of the tear down and restoration. Nut and bolt restoration done on the 66 C10. Took first place at World of Wheels, big car show in Kansas City area in 2020. All the chrome and bright work was restored. It's got a great shine, excellent paint, and a really nice color, matches nicely with the interior. Hood lines up great, excellent gaps, beautiful paint. We just put brand new tires on it. The tires that were on it before were in good shape, but they were older date, so we put brand new tires on it. Body is nice and straight up and down the sides. Bed's all finished beautifully. Even the chrome door handles, side mirrors, all that was restored when they did the restoration. One of my favorite things with the truck is the interior. Love the interior color. Tell just kind of nut and bolt. Everything was new. Corner of the door is beautiful. This tells the story too. Even this seam, how well they painted that, just as it would have been factory. Door jamb paint's beautiful. All new door mechanisms there. Nice seat belts. Seat's been all restored and excellent. Inside of the cab's painted. Even when we look in here on the inner door jambs, they didn't skimp anywhere. Dash is gorgeous. Correct steering wheel. Even the glove box light works in it. All the glass is nice and clean. You can check out the undercarriage on our site, coyoteclassics.com. Rear bumper's nice. The tailgate looks great. I did notice a paint chip right here. Box sides are very straight. Just a classy looking 66. So some of the goodies that come with it as far as documentation are tons of receipts. It was restored by Hot Rod Express down in Blue Springs, Missouri, and they do excellent work. Tons of money spent. This invoice right here is $30,000. We turn the page a couple times and you're going to see one for about $20,000. $1,500. I mean, they spent tons and tons of money doing this restoration. You got a breakdown of all the parts used, and then here's that flash drive that you can put into the computer and go back and look at all the steps of the restoration. There's your award for Kansas City World of Wheels, first prize. Bed's beautiful. It's got a couple little scuffs where like paint's chipped right on the edge there. Restoration's probably got about 7 or 8 years on it. It still looks awesome. So you can see the box is buffed to a mirror finish, nice and straight. Side chrome looks good. And behind the cab, just beautiful. And when you look back at those pictures, they started with a nice clean truck. Okay, corner of the door is excellent. Cab corners are great. Door jamb paint's beautiful. Even the dash, just crystal clear. Your generator and oil light work, all your gauges work. Top of the dash is painted beautifully. Then the air conditioning was a nice upgrade. Also upgraded the radio. Still looks stock, but more modern radio. Excellent door jamb paint. And the truck runs and drives beautiful as well. We'll take it down the road here momentarily. It does have a little nick on that side chrome right there, but other than that, very, very nice truck. All right, we'll fire it up and take her down the road. All right, I'm excited to take you guys with us as we take the truck for a spin. We'll go through, show you everything working. So there's your wipers. Horn works off the factory button on the steering wheel. Gas gauge works, we got it filled up to full. Here's your upgraded radio. Let's see if we can get a station in.
100,000.
Nice sounding radio. Looks like it's got aux, AM, and FM. So you can plug your phone into it through aux and play music. Air conditioner works. That is for opening up your kick panel vents, letting the outside air in. And then it has generator oil and then hot and cold lights in the dash. But just beautiful. Clutch feels great. You got a nice clutch, shifts good, speedometer works. And it goes down the road really nice. Even when I drove it the other day, the way they restored and built this truck, it don't drive and handle like an old farm truck anymore. It's just nice and tight. Brake stop nice and straight. Power steering works well. These old 3 on the trees are pretty fun to drive, especially in something like this. It's just a beautiful truck. You can take it and win shows with it, or you can just jump in, drive, cruise it, enjoy it. The drive's like a dream. Goes nice and straight down the road. And even with that, factory straight 6 in there, it's still got, plenty of power that you need with this truck, for a beautiful driver. Nice. What do you think of it, Blake? Pretty nice, huh?
It is pretty nice.
Suspension feels really good too. We're on a rough old county highway, and it rides awesome.
I like it.
So here's your brakes. Stop good. No pull left or right. Just shift it up into second. Especially outside. I mean, the color's great inside under the lights, but you get some sun and have this thing outside, and it's just beautiful. Shift it down to first. No clutch shutter taken off. Nice and smooth. just a lot of fun. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.